You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this fascinating word. I know it's very confusing to look at, and it's quite confusing to pronounce, so let's go through. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Majoritarianism is how it's pronounced. Okay, let's try this better. Majoritarianism is how it's said. So, majorita, it comes from the word majority, of course, a political philosophy. Majoritarianism. Yeah, it's a mouthful. Majoritarianism. Majoritarianism. Yes, I've got it. Have you got it? Let me know in the comments. Majoritarianism. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.